Hi guys, it's Kat. New Year's Eve is just around the corner. Be glam, be fantastic, and go all in with your makeup. So this is my New Year's glam. It's a black smoky eye with a pop of blue. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's start by defining the brows. With a bold look like this, we want the eyebrows to be on point. I'm using the Eyebrow Stylist set in the shade Natural Brunette Style. First, I will use a spoolie to comb through my brows, like this. Now I'm picking up the lighter shade in the front of my brows and just filling in where there are any gaps. Now taking the darker shade in the tail of my brows. Now to set the brows, I'll use the Lash and Brow Gel Mascara. And I'm brushing the hairs upwards, like this. And now on to the star of the show, the smoky eye. To make sure the eyeshadow stay put all night, I will use this eyeshadow base. Just dab it all over the eyelids, like this. So starting off with the crease, I'm using this compact powder as an eyeshadow. I'm taking this one on a fluffy brush and applying it on my crease. This will work. And now I'm using the long-lasting eye pencil in the shade Black Fever. I'm just drawing on my eyelids, and I'm using this one as a base for the next shadow. So this black base will make the next eyeshadow pop, and I will use this one in my waterline too. And now to blend out the black, I will use this compact powder again. And you can stop here with the black smoky eye, but I will add some sparkle. This is the Melted Chrome eyeshadow in the shade Platinum Nights. And I am applying this with my fingers. Wow! To brighten up my eyes, I will use some highlighter in my inner corner, and I will use the highlighter palette Glow to Go in the shade Sunkissed Glow. And now the eyes are done, let's move on to the face. And now to give some color to my face, I'm using the Matte Touch blush in the shade 20 Bury Me Up. This is the night to shine bright, like a diamond. And I'm using this palette again, it's the Glow to Go highlighter palette. I will apply it on my cheekbones, cupid's bow, and along my nose bridge. This is super easy to blend and gives you the perfect glow. And now for the perfect matte lip, I'm using a liquid lipstick in the shade Dusty Romance. This liquid lipstick has a gorgeous powdery matte finish and is highly pigmented. To set the makeup, fixing spray. Shake it and spray it all over your face. And all done, a smoking hot New Year's glam with a nude lip. What's your New Year's makeup look? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you like what you saw, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.